Hey guys, Jared here with Farm Truck Garage. Working on a Cummins 6.7. Was looking for a video on the fuel rail plug and couldn't find one, so I thought I'd upload one for you guys. I just installed a DRP or Deviant Race Parts plug right here. Factory one. This is the factory valve. It's throwing a P000F code. And apparently this is the fix. You can either do that or shim the factory one. I chose to go with the plug, just easier to do. So I had to actually take this part off here, unbolt that because it was too close. Couldn't get much of anything in here to loosen this, and it was really tight, so I needed a breaker bar with a socket on there. So got it installed. Hopefully that fixes our code issue. Thanks for watching.